Hello everyone, this is me Fawad Khan and this is my YouTube channel, and in today's lecture I will explain you within great detail about the CMake tool which is used by the software developers. So basically the aim of this course is to make you expert in coding through CMake. Since many of the software developers doesn't know about the CMake tool, so I will first provide you the detail that why CMake is used. So through this course you will become master in building the CMake C++ projects. So basically the CMake, what is a CMake? Many of the people doesn't still know about that what is a CMake. So it is a build system generator. So the build system generator mean that when you have any type of software and you run the code, you need the build tool, because without build tool you cannot run the code on your operating system. So while running the code, the CMake convert the text, like the code syntax within different syntax, it convert that code into binaries which machine can understand. So basically this is the purpose of CMake build tool, that through this build tool you will convert the code into binaries. So basically there are many build tools available. Then why we are using CMake? Like the build tool which previously been developed by other developers, they also transform the source code into executable files and libraries. Then what was the purpose for which we are using the CMake? So the CMake has various benefits which in detail we will discuss. So one benefit out of them is that we can reuse the CMake script that we have obtained at our native build system, and we can use that script at any other platform like Linux, Windows, or any other platform. So this is a cross platform benefit it provides us. There are many other benefits, like if you want to track the dependencies of your project, it will automatically propagate that dependencies into your software development project. Like there may be that you update some code in your previous project, and when you update that code the compiler or the IDE will automatically be updated about the new file which have been added into your project. You will just need to either, if you modify some of your previous code, the CMake build tool will automatically update the compiler and executable files. It will automatically update them, so you don't need to do many things. It will automatically be propagated. Your changes will automatically be propagated into your software. It support many IDEs. Like it can be used in Visual Studio, it can be used in Qt, so it support various IDEs. So the first thing is that if you want to use the CMake build tool, then the first thing is that you need to download it and install it on your operating system. So basically you need to go to this URL, and when you click on this URL you will see this website, and within this website you can see there are many platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and you can download the file according to your system requirement from here, and you can install it on your Windows or Linux or Unix or any other operating system, and this will be then used to create executable for your software project. So this is the end of the first lecture. In the next lecture I will tell you that how you can create a CMake script. So thank you for staying with us. If you follow our course, you will find it beneficial for your software development project, and you will become expert in CMake build tools and script writing. So stay tuned with us, subscribe my channel, and I will share the detail of my lecture series in the description. So click the bell icon so that you may see our new updated lectures. Thank you so much.